Hi, my viewers. Today we will talk about this set. This is the tool which I was searching very long time, and finally I obtained it. Guys, this is not promotional video. I bought this tool for myself, and now I want to show you what is inside. Here you can see that it is made by SV or SW Stahl. This is a German company. This set is not made in Germany, but the company uh, sells their product. This company is situated in Remscheid, industrial capital of Germany, tool capital of the country, and that's why I prefer to buy this brand. There are many options available in the market. Majority of them are uh, from China, cheap stuff, but I prefer to invest money such type of tool. And here it is, what is inside the box. The box itself is very good, very solid. It looks like really professional tool. Here you can see that the set itself is placed in the very good uh, black bag, as we can call it. We can hang it on the wall. The bag is closed now. Now I will open it and show you what's inside. Here it is, guys. These are long pattern box and or as we can also call them double box end wrenches. The set contains from 6 wrenches here, and every of them is important because they have a long pattern. Here is how the bag itself looks, very good quality. Uh, and now I will try to show you detail about each wrench. The sizes here are 12, 30, 60, 70, 80 and 90. I think these are majority sizes which are used on the German cars, and for my car I think this is a very good size uh, chart. So let's start from the smallest one. Here you can see it is 12 millimeter double box end wrench. Every wrench have the markings engraved SW Stahl, CRV sizes, and also the part number of each wrench. I cannot say if they can be obtained separately. Uh, Also, guys, it is important that I find this set on eBay, but when I check now, this is not available right now. So uh, if you want to buy this set, you can search, and who knows, you may be lucky and uh, find it. So here is how the box end is machined. 12 points, both sides are 12 points. And the wrench itself sounds very good. This have 5 degrees swingle arc, as I can say, 72 tools inside of the mechanism. Then we can see here a 30 millimeter box end wrench. The styling of each wrench is the same. They don't have any uh, issues or bad markings from the factory, so I can say that quality control is top here. They are not bent, they are straight, and they feel very good in your hand. The metal is enough heavy here. So guys, the main reason I bought these wrenches are their lengths. Uh, Now I will compare it to the regular wrenches, and you will see why it sounds great. I like it very much. It has not switch knob, but you can easily use them on reverse or forward option on every job. Guys, here is 100 German made wrenches. Here are, and this is a 30mm regular wrench, and if we compare it to the long pattern as we STAHL wrench, here you can see how longer is the box double box and wrench. That means that you will be able to do and make more torque with it, and also grab the places which are not very easy to work with. The next size is 16 millimeters. The styling is the same as I already said. Here you can see the machining. I like the satin finish. This is a classic of the genre of the German tools. I don't like, to be honest, chrome finish. Here you see and hear how it moves and sounds. As the long is the wrench, as the big is the wrench in diameter, as long it is as well. And here it is the 17 millimeter double box and wrench. This is the main size I'm going to use on my W210 and on the other German cars which we have in our family. Here you can see how long it is. Sound is very good. The head doesn't wobble at all, and I like the styling of it. Now guys, let's compare it to the Wirt. Also ratcheting wrench, which is a flex head option. To be honest, for me Wirt sounds better, but both of these ratcheting wrenches are very good. I like the finish on the STAHL, but there are some options where Wirt is better. The head of the Wirt, now I am comparing 70mm wrenches, is smaller and also narrower. It means that you can work with it in the tight places. And you can see also that Wirt sounds here a little bit better for me, but not a big deal. Wirt is not offering such type of long wrenches, especially double box and wrenches which have ratcheting option, so that's why I bought this STAHL set. And if we compare it to the standard Belzer or Napa US made combination wrenches, here you can see the difference is obviously. So this long wrench will hold more torque and will let you work in the places where the small wrenches aren't useful. This is 18mm double box and ratcheting wrench. The wrenches are brand new, guys, that's why they need to be worked, and after that I think that there will be no issues with them. And the biggest one in this set is 90mm wrench. Here it is. 17, 80 and 90mm wrenches are almost the same length, have almost the same length, and 16, 13 and 12 are a little bit shorter. 12 is the shortest one, 16 is in the middle. The main reason also I have bought these wrenches is that I have this low profile Astro pneumatic sockets in my garage, and if we put it on the wrench, here you can see that you can use it as a regular ratchet, and it benefits for you the low profile. Here you can see how low it is, and let's agree that there are some situations where you simply must use this type of tool. The length is very good and it is ready to apply some torque on the fasteners. So guys, I'm very pleased with my purchase. I paid 65 euros for this set, and I think it is very good deal, especially for the set which has quality here. From today, STAHL tools are in my garage, and I will try to obtain more their tools for a good prices. Once again guys, this is the promotional video. I bought it for myself, and I recommend it to anyone who is going to spend money on such type of tool. Let's agree that these aviation spanners or long pattern wrenches are very good in some situations, and this is the demonstration of what I am saying now. So guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and see you in the next videos. Thank you once again, and goodbye.